Good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe at home. Dear students, today through this video, we are going to learn more about gender. Students, you have already learned in your previous classes about the four noun gender, that is masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Let's revise them and learn more about them. A noun that denotes a male is said to be of masculine gender. For example, hero, heir, monk, buck, etc. A noun that denotes a female is said to be of feminine gender. For example, heroine, heiress, nun, doe, etc. A noun that stands for either male or female is said to be of common gender. For example, student, pupil, artist, cousin, bird, etc. A noun that names a non-living is said to be of neuter gender. For example, table, leaf, paper, phone, etc. Let's do some examples from these genders. First, masculine and feminine gender. Examples are boy and a girl, duck and rake, lion, lioness, prince, princess. Now some common gender. Examples are doctor, teacher and chef. It is called common gender because it can be used for males as well as for females. Then we have examples of neuter gender. They are usually non-living things. For example, a book, the sun and a cloud will come under neuter gender. Students, let's do some worksheets related to the genders. First one is you need to put some words given in the cloud into their proper columns of masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. The first word is cold. It will go into masculine gender, which will go into feminine. Shoes into neuter gender. Cousin will go to the column of common gender. House, neuter, due to the masculine gender. Doctor will be common. Milkmaid to the feminine gender column. Pupil, common. Widow, again to the feminine gender. Cook will be common. Pen, neuter. Empress will be feminine. Waitress, again feminine. Watch, neuter. Bachelor will go to masculine gender. Guest is common. Host, masculine. Road, neuter. Widower, again to the column of masculine gender. The second exercise. Here, you need to complete the table by putting either masculine or feminine gender. You can choose the words from the box. First is hind. Its masculine gender will be stag. For duchess, it will be duke. For rooster, the feminine gender is hen. For buck, it will be doe. For duck, the masculine gender is drake. For goat, its feminine gender is filly. For nanny goat, the masculine gender is billy goat. For gander, the feminine gender is goose. For bride, the masculine will be groom. For mother-in-law, it will be father-in-law. For lad, the feminine gender will be lass. For countess, the masculine will be earl or it can be count also. For waitress, it will be waiter. For nephew, it will be niece. For salesman, the feminine gender will be saleswoman. For ram, it will be Eve. Let's do third exercise related to nouns gender. Here you need to rewrite the sentences after changing the gender of the underlined noun. First one is The hunters attacked the hay-bear and vixen. So after changing the gender, we will write it like this. The huntress attacked the she-bear and fox. The washerman saved the son of a priestess. Now, after changing the gender, it will be the washerwoman saved the daughter of a priest. The drake was feeding its ducklings. It will be the duck was feeding its ducklings. The farmer had a colt and a he-goat. Now what is a colt? It's a baby of a horse. So if it's a female, then it will be known as filly. After changing the underlined words, the sentence will be like this. The farmer had a filly and a she-goat. The wizard turned the boy into a doe rabbit. It will be the witch turned the girl into a buck rabbit. Sixth one. The headmaster called my mother to talk about my progress. After changing the underlined words, it will be the headmistress called my father to talk about my progress. The emperor and his manservant went for a walk. It will be the empress and her maidservant went for a walk. The prince was riding his horse. So it will be the princess were riding her mare. My nephew is a schoolmaster. It will be after changing the gender, it will be like this. My niece is a school mistress. The landlady asked the milkman to bring milk. It will be the landlord asked the milkmaid to bring milk. His stepfather was a gentleman. It will be his stepmother was a lady. The bridegroom was receiving the guests. After changing the gender of the underlined word, it will be the bride was receiving the guests. Hope through this video you have learned the concept of nouns gender. Thank you.